Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, tap on My Device and select Storage. Scroll down and you should see your SD card. As you can see, SanDisk SD card, that is basically the brand of my SD. And here you have Erase SD card. So select that. It will give you a message that performing this basically removes everything from it, and this cannot be undone. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. Otherwise, well, it will be gone. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on Format SD card. It will begin the process, and it only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it should be right about now. There we go. Click on Done, and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.